HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hey kids, let's draw a cute little calf in the bathroom. Let's start by drawing our calf's face. And a cute little smile. The spots too. Looks great. Let's draw his arm holding a bottle. And a bathtub for our cute friend. He'll need a brush for his bath to scrub himself nice and clean. And a cute little duck too. Isn't it super cute? Almost done. Let's draw the soap bottles. And his bubble bath bottle. Let's add some details. And now we color in. Let's use yellow for the face. And the duck. The bottles too. Red color for the tongue, the horns, and the brush. Let's use red for the tiny details too. Add some blue now. For the spots, we should use black. Don't you think so? We're almost done, kids. Some grey for the bathtub. And blue for the mat. Hey, look! Our bathroom is ready! Hope you had fun!